What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And then try to get dark. But yeah, today we finna load Dolo up, man. Get over there to Showtime. I got to drop the parts off too, the valve bodies and the ultra bell for meats. Just drop everything out, man. I got a busy day. A super busy day, man. Get this thing loaded up. Gotta get it fixed. We got to get him fixed, man. CFR. Go see the doctor, man. Go get him straightened out. He a little hurt. We gonna straighten him out though. Alright, we all strapped up, ready to go. And man, it looked like it's gonna rain. It didn't supposed to. Cause that, if it was gonna rain, I was gonna hold up, do all this, but we here now. No turning back. So, gonna go get everything I need. Get the fire. We ready to go. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So look, I'm finna get this thing off. Cause I've been going in and out of rain, man. I said, boy, this wasn't a bad day to do this. The weather, Mother Nature pulled a switcheroo. So I'm finna try to get that unloaded quick. And then I'm gonna turn y'all back on after I get this situated, man. Get it done before the bottom fall out. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, checking in. Got Dolo unloaded, pulled over here. We're gonna show y'all these parts. But we got the ultra bell and then the valve body. It's a weird made box, boy. There you go. Got the valve body. I know. Got two of them. Got one going in meat trim this too, but that ultra bell for meats. I really bought parts for everybody, really. One of them for meat, one of them for Dolo. The other one for Dolo, meat's coming, went tomorrow. But we got the ultra bell and all that. So we're finna go ahead see what DJ got shaking. Y'all see, y'all make sure y'all hit the number. Showtime. It's up there too. Y'all make sure y'all hit the number, man. Y'all know a lot of y'all done used it, man. He done got y'all right. Y'all know they take care of you, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So y'all remember the other day I was messing with this. I was messing with the air cleaner stuff for R&B. When we get ready to drop meat, y'all see meat gone. But I had to get that carburetor stud cut, and then on top of that, I got busy, so I knew by the time I got back it was gonna be dark, so I wasn't gonna finish it. Then look at it, gloomy again. I told y'all this Georgia weather, it ain't supposed to even rain today, but it did. So you know. But anyway, I ain't want to just end with that. I said I could do something else. But y'all see, we got Dolo dropped off. So I could throw this on right quick, cause it ain't gonna take long, and I ain't got nothing near shaking. I gotta get that converter to him though, but I might take it down there tomorrow. Might take it tomorrow. Look at that. Put that thing on. Look at the carburetors stud on, man. Jesse cut the other day. Get this joker on right quick. Let me see. Where's it? Oh, I ain't even get no wing nut. I hope this one work. Yes, indeed. All right, we good. So we're gonna take it. See, I wish that thing had an indentation or something in it, where it'll sit down in there, but it don't. Now if you take that O-ring out, it probably sit down right. I think we cut just enough. Let me see. It'll seal once I get it down on there. Just enough, boy. Woo. Perfect. I'm talking about perfect. So we're gonna get this tightened down. More than enough space. Make sure that button down good so it don't move. Then they gonna get that good seal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she good now. We in there. Kid, they came outside on the kid. We in there. On the money. So there we go. We got that on there. We got Dolo dropped off. We ready to roll. So y'all stay tuned and turn y'all on in a minute. Alright, we checking back in, so y'all check this out. DJ done turned into a lightning bolt. That man said, I ain't no said he got the transmission already tore apart, basically. So I'm finna head back down there, taking the converter, and we're gonna get to it. So I'm gonna cut y'all on when we get there. Alright, y'all. Checking in, man. We back again, same day. I told y'all, man, we had did the little thing with R&B, and shoot, y'all, I thought we were gonna wrap it up, but DJ called me and said, hey, I'm ready to roll, bring it back. I said, okay, cool. Yeah, let's do it. So I'm finna take the converter down there and turn y'all on. Hey man, why you work so fast, man?
Man, go and get it out the way, man. Got metal all over me. Look at that. I'm supposed to be dirty.
Yeah. Man, he sent me that video, y'all. It metal all in that mother for real. He sent me a little clip. I might throw a little bit of it in the vlog with it, but he had hit me. He said, man, I'm trying to knock it out today. I said, same day.
Yeah.
What happened? What was it that happened?
Well, what happened, I don't know if it was an older converter or not, but it probably had a little bit of usage on it. I put it that way.
Yeah,
I think when
it
you
was.
put in there,
It was. I couldn't find one that
and I
time.
think you exceeded the actual horsepower range for that converter
For real?
over the time. It just, the bearings on the inside, they go bad on, you know, heat, you know, cranking up power. Like I said, it just, I think the fin had started to lay over in it, and it started eating away at the bearing. So the bearing go bad, and then the fins go bad.
So it was the converter.
Converted the whole time. They won't start. You caught it early though.
Good. That's a good.
Usually they'll go bad and they won't even move at all, but yours still move. It was just making a noise, so it didn't get that bad.
Golly. Hey y'all, yeah, he sent me the video, man. I said, oh, it sound like stuff grinding and all type of stuff, man. Like, so I'm glad we, you know, done keep riding and all of that stuff, and like I said, caught it early and all that, and it was good that I went ahead and got a converter too. Yeah. To be on the safe side, cause then we would have been down
for a little while. But
yeah, exactly.
I know my company, they 3 weeks out right now. It's race season, so everybody getting their refreshing or get some new ones. So it's 3 weeks on them. So
yeah, it's hard, man. It's hard getting converters and stuff right now. So that's why I like, man. I'm glad I was able to get my hands on one. Y'all know that one would use or whatever called. We was in a rush at the time, man, trying to get stuff done and all that, but it survived a good little minute, but it finally flatlined, man. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Back from Showtime transmission. Dropped the converter off at DJ. That man ain't no joke, man. That man ain't no joke. He got the transmission out already, man. He had the transmission out already. And look, I'm gonna show y'all what happened right now.
It's everywhere. Transmission look good though. Look at these pretty blue clutches, man. Everybody can't play with them clutches right now. But check this out. This. They know it. Status support bushing going. And they're blinding. It's supposed to be that bad. All that metal.
So y'all seen pretty much what happened, man. Like I said, he explained a little bit, and I just put a little clip in there that he had sent me. But yeah, we had tore some stuff up, man. I'm glad I caught it right then and there, and then I went ahead and just made the conscious decision. Obviously, hey, don't move it too much. I said I drove back to the trailer, put it on the trailer, and that was it, and took it off, and then went back on the trailer. So that was it. But it was metal all through that, and even if it was something else that happened, saying the converter was some good still, I still wouldn't have used it when he first said it was metal. Cause you put that, a lot of people do this. They have something go wrong, they'll turn their converter up, let it drain into a pan or something, think they got everything out of it. They fill it back up with fluid and stick it in there, and they send metal right through their transmission again, and then they tear the transmission up. And now you want to try to blame your transmission builder or whatever, when in actuality it was your fault. So you know you got to make that decision. Cause if your transmission person does not have a flusher or way to flush the converter, you're gonna have a problem. I'm telling you, you can't get mad at them. You can ask them, can they flush it? If they say yeah, that's a different story, and they don't do what they do, they're different. But turning it upside down is not flushing it. I mean, actually flushing it, cleaning it. So, I mean, work to just keep that in mind, man. Some stuff can and will go wrong if you don't flush that transmission. I mean, that converter. I mean, but like I said, we got Big Dolo going, man. It'll be back tomorrow. Quick turnaround, man. I'll be picking that joker up. So y'all have that vlog coming, man. So he'll be back in the fleet. He wasn't sick long. He wasn't gone long. He was sick. It happened on over a weekend, so it was sick about 4 days. He was sick about 4 days. That ain't bad. So you know, we're gonna have it back, man. And I got to shout out DJ. Like I said, I really appreciate everything he do, man. That man just always go above and beyond. Like I always show love. I give me flowers and stuff, man. So you know, we coming back. Big Dolo. I'm gonna throw these back on. Throw these joker right here back on, and you know, we're gonna make some stuff happen, man. We're gonna make some stuff happen. So y'all just stay tuned in. We're gonna get it back home, get him back to the fleet, and then we'll be back turning up. Oh, we gotta go get the exhaust done. We'll be going to Lawless and get the exhaust done, man. Jesse had told me like he ready to get that joker done and get the remix done with the exhaust. So we're gonna have that coming. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the exhaust done too. So that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.